So you're thinking about starting a business in Wyoming. It's a great choice. Wyoming is one of the most business-friendly states in the country with no personal income tax, low fees, and strong privacy protections for LLC owners. But if you're wondering, how do I actually set up my LLC? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to do to get your Wyoming LLC up and running. And if this sounds good, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Now, before you do anything else, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Wyoming has a few rules. You must include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC or L.L.C. That is in your business name. And also, your name has to be unique. It can't be too similar to an existing business in Wyoming. The easiest way to check is by using the Wyoming Secretary of State's business search tool. If your perfect name is available, but you're not quite ready to file your paperwork, you can reserve it for 120 days for a $50 fee. Every Wyoming LLC must have a registered agent. Now, this is a person or company that agrees to accept legal documents for your business. You can be your own registered agent, but you'll need a physical Wyoming address, no PO boxes, and you must be available during normal business hours. If you don't want to deal with that, then you can actually hire a registered agent service for around $100 to $300 per year. And now it's time to file your articles of organization with the Wyoming Secretary of State. This is the document that officially registers your LLC. You can file online or by mail, and the filing fee is $100. Online applications get processed faster, usually in 1 to 2 business days. When filing out the form, you'll need to include your business name, registered agent information, and principal office address. Wyoming does not require you to have an operating agreement, but it is still a really good idea to have one. An operating agreement lays out who owns the business, how decisions are made, and what happens if someone leaves. Now, even if you are the only owner, having this in writing can help protect your LLC status and avoid legal issues down the road. Next up, an employer identification number, or EIN, is like a social security number for your business. You'll need it to pay taxes, to hire employees, and to open a business bank account. But the best part is, it is completely free. Just head over to the IRS website and apply online. It only takes a few minutes and you'll get your EIN instantly. Once your LLC is up and running, there is one thing you cannot forget: filing an annual report. Wyoming requires all LLCs to submit this report every year to stay in good standing. The cost is $60, and it's due on the first day of your LLC's anniversary month. If you forget to file, you could face penalties or even risk losing your LLC status. And just like that, you are all set. You now know exactly how to start an LLC in Wyoming from start to finish. It's very easy. Now, if you found this video helpful, please do us a favor and hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about this process. And for more business resources, check out simplifyllc.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new business in Wyoming.